Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this wholemeal lemon drizzle. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the buttermilk, so simply take your milk and add in the white vinegar, whisk together until combined, then set aside until needed later on. Then grab yourself another large mixing bowl, and this time you'll want to add in your dry ingredients, so starting with your sugar, followed by the lemon zest. Feel free to add this in with the liquid if you want, but it doesn't really matter when you add it. Not forgetting to add in your wholemeal flour, raisin agent and salt, and then mix together until they're well combined. Once they're well combined, you can then go ahead and add in the wet ingredients, keeping the mixer going as you go ahead, and just keep mixing until all of the ingredients are well combined. You're looking for a batter with no traces of a single ingredient. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, but seeing as we're using bread flour, please be careful to not overmix, as you do not want this to take on that kind of texture that bread would have. Then you can go ahead and grab yourself a loaf pan which has been lined with some parchment paper and transfer all of the cake batter into it, level it out if needed, then place it into your preheated oven and bake up. Once it's fresh from the oven, you can go ahead and brush over with the lemon juice and sugar mixture and then let it cool. I forgot to record that part, or I couldn't find the clip, I don't know where it is. Let the cake cool, then cut it up, and here is what the loaf looked like. It looked like wholemeal bread, but it smells citrusy, and weirdly, believe me or not, it does actually work very well, so I recommend giving it a try if you like lemon drizzle and wholemeal. The two work very well together. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.